Okay, ang ganda ni ate. Ayan. So, this is the requested by to her follower. Ayan. Pwede pa-request, ma'am. Greatest love. Opo. So, talagang nakita ko sa nature niya na talagang ang ganda. Ayan, na-amaze ako dito. So, isa din to sa hinahangaan ko pagdating sa kantahan dahil magaling din tong kumanta at talagang nagte-trending ang kanyang mga cover na song. So, as well, guys, let's get in and sana masama niyo akong dyan at this my reaction video. Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko yung background niya. Ay, nature.
I believe that changing our future. Teach them how, let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to. Everybody searching for a hero. People need someone to look to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on you. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. People and this time inside believe, no matter what they take from me, they can't take away my tears. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me.
Ang sarap sa tenga ng kanyang boses, guys.
It's easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. I believe that children's our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. How to start long ago, never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I'll leave a side believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away our dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all. It's easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. And if by chance the special place that you've been dreaming of leads you to a lonely
ate. Ang ganda.
Gano'n ako rin
Cute. Thank you sa kanyang reaction. And I really love that nature. Talagang ang ganda. Sarap siguro manirahan sa lugar na iyan. Tingnan mo naman ang kanilang background. Talagang nature na nature, ano? And bukod sa maganda ang kanyang boses at nababagay sa nature sa kanyang background. So, grabe, na-amaze ako doon at talagang na-entertain ako and talagang yung nag-request nito at talagang hindi nagsisi at hindi nang hinayang sa kanyang pag-request. Talaga namang satisfied siya. So, that's it guys and thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin for today's video and yun, mag-ingat kayo palagi and God bless. Bye-bye.